What's going on, guys? We're here at the original TechBuds house. Ish lives here now, but pretty much we went to go pick up another phone, and we're gonna be heading on over to our cell phone provider to be getting a new number. So yeah, we're here at Verizon. I'm gonna be getting a new phone number actually for you guys. So anytime that you guys have any questions, just because a lot of people don't have Facebook or Instagram or Discord, or we've just been getting so many messages, just wanted to have a better way for me to actually be able to communicate with you guys. So anytime that you guys have any trading questions, you guys can't call me, but you guys can simply send me a text message. The number should actually be popping up, so hopefully this could be a positive change for our group. So yeah.
This is 11 hours ago in Gilbert with a 2-stroke dirt bike engine, run about 70, 80 miles an hour.
You're gonna do what?
And then we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna buy a shifter car and resell it for a profit.
How much are you buying it for?
Well, you asked $1,700. I'm not gonna give them that.
Oh, you're saying pull out of here, huh? The garage?
Yeah.
But I thought you meant like...
Yeah, I think you should be fine. We're gonna be letting Ish take the car.
You won't see me again?
Alrighty. What's going on, guys? Here at the gas station, we got Ish still driving the Lambo, but we're here stopping for gas real quick and then headed on over to EOS for a quick little gym session.
Time for fake friends. Too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle, I never be going and switching it up. Rocking with the people who been following me when I never thought it would have happened, that I never got love. Now they want to piggyback on everything I got. I never knew one from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place.
Guys, we just, whoa, I don't know if you guys saw that. There's a little haboob happening here in Arizona. Heading back to the house with the guys, just had a nice little workout. Pretty much going to go take a shower, head to bed, and then we'll see you guys at Market Open. This is what I like to see. Packages. So I got a package from Volt, huge shout out to them. It's a wireless battery pack, and it has a new type of design. Let me see if I could actually get it for you guys. So this thing's pretty cool because it doesn't have that thing that sticks out to charge it. It's just the wireless thing is back there, and just a slim black design, which is a little bit different. So the biggest difference about this is that it's a wireless battery pack, and you don't have to like plug in your phone. You know how you usually have to do that? You don't have to do it because it has that wireless sensor. So because it's a wireless phone, so I think this is pretty cool. Hey, what's going on, guys? So it is 2 a.m. here in Arizona. Market pre-market hours opens in 2 hours, and then the overall market opens in 4.5 hours. So I'm gonna be heading to bed and pretty much just prepping for tomorrow. I was just updating our Facebook groups and all the social media accounts, just making sure that we're ready for tomorrow. So gonna get some sleep, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow at Market Open. All right, what's going on, team? So I hope that you guys enjoyed the different style of video that we're now going to be uploading on the channel. If you guys like that, with a little bit parts of like our day after the market closes and just getting to the trading now, be sure to drop a thumbs up. So just to summarize how the day went, 2.5K. I lost 2.5% today, and I traded with $100,000 for those that are not familiar with, you know, my trading. What ended up happening is just to highlight a lot of the mistakes that I made today. Majority of them were all caught within the Learn Plan Profit live stream. It went live for about 1 hour and 10 minutes, meaning that they got to see where I buy and sell. And I just made very simple mistakes that, you know, I saw the overall market, so /NQ, which is the NASDAQ future. I saw /CL and /NG, which is the natural gas and crude oil future, just to become so overbought. I thought that they were going to pull back. I was, you know, I average up, meaning that like I trade with $100,000, but on my first buy, right, when I first get into my trade, I don't trade and buy with $100,000. I'll normally buy with $20,000, $30,000. And I was just buying a little bit too aggressively to put into perspective. There's no true confirmation of a reversal. It was just showing very like small signs, and I would get in. And even with the $30,000 or the $50,000, it would then just push up, change direction. And the market was just really choppy in my experience. There was an overall direction. I was not going with the flow, and I was trying to predict reversals. 2 areas of opportunity that I can focus on moving forward. Because the market's been so choppy, right, I can be even that much more selective and that much more patient and just wait for the true direction. Second thing, if I do plan, again, there's a risk, right, always trying to get in before the overall confirmation. But again, let's say I accept the risk, maybe my position size should be much smaller until I get that overall confirmation. So instead of going in with $20,000 or $30,000, for me to maybe go in with anywhere from around like, $10,000, $20,000, just to keep my initial position size much smaller, to give myself more of a cushion. So if it does not go according to plan, I can quickly cut losses, and then altogether, it's not going to be something that's going to be truly devastating. But yeah, I was pretty much just chasing the trade. I was trying to identify these reversals and the market because of it being so choppy. If you're part of the Learn Plan Profit live stream, they got to see a majority of it all happen. Today was the natural gas support, and I traded live for about an hour and 10 minutes, meaning that the Learn Plan Profit team got to see me where I bought and sold, and overall it just was not going according to my plan. I lost 2.5k today, so altogether on the week I'm now down 2.5k. Again, this does set me back, especially with my red day yesterday, meaning that I just have to be even that much more selective on Friday. So it's just all part of trading. It happens, so I'm not too bummed about it, just because it wasn't as bad as it was yesterday, and I know that I still have Friday. So again, just learning from my mistakes, refining myself, and trying to get better every single day. So again, as a day trader, we're put up to the plate every single day with our ability to identify patterns, with our ability to wait for confirmation, and with our ability to manage risk. Today, I stepped up to bat and I struck out. So just wanted to share my overall experience with you guys. I hope that you guys can at least learn something from my takeaways. So moving forward, you guys can be even that much more selective and wait for true confirmation for the overall direction to be in your favor, so you don't have to actually end the day in the red. And again, like always, we want to make sure that you guys lock in profits at any indication of a resistance. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. I also do want to remind you that if you are interested in learning a little bit more about trading and getting connected, feel free to send me a text. My phone number is going to be down below, and I'd be more than happy to, again, answer any questions over text message. So don't try to call me, because it's not going to allow you to call me by any means. But if you want to send me a text, I'd be more than happy to talk to you and to see, if we can work well together. So I appreciate you guys' time. I wish you guys an amazing rest of your Thursday. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.